But now check this out. This is the brand new 40 watt RGB. This has everything the Pro has, same build and same controls, except with the added bonus of RGB colors. Now you might be saying, wait, why wouldn't you always just go with the RGB one instead of the Pro one? Well, some people out there don't actually need the different colors. They just want a good solid key light, and that's what this one is. I mean, this one also can be a good key light, but you might not need the features of the RGB colors. But check this out. You can hold that mode button down and you can put it into RGB mode, and then you can turn the dial to get any color on the spectrum nice and easily. And then if you press it down once, you can also change the saturation of that color, so you can really dial in which color you're looking for. Another really cool feature that you can get on both of them is that if you just press the eco button, it actually goes to eco mode and it goes to 1% like right away. So like maybe if you're shooting something and you have it on full brightness, but you stop recording, you can quickly put it on eco mode to save the battery, and then you can turn that up back onto full power. And then if you hold it down, you get that overclocked power and really bright 50 watt light. Now these lights would be excellent for just background lights if you want to have different colors to set the scene, or even really good key lights as well, especially with that mini Bowens light reflector and the silicone diffuser. But also on this one, if you hold down the mode button again, then you get the lighting effects. And with these, they actually give you some extra ones like cop car, because you have the different colors. You have ambulance and fire engine. You also have fireworks, party, RGB strobe, and red flash, green flash, and blue flash, as well as just like a HSI slow, like fade between, and HSI fast. So like, you know, when you're watching a movie and they show fireworks and then it shows the crowd and they're like, ooh, ah. I mean, you basically can do something like that where you have the light hitting your crowd and they're like, ooh, ah. See, you just add some sound effects to make it look like I'm looking at fireworks. Movie magic.